Hi, this is JD and I'm here with Joyce Talk. Croatia is one of itself. Less than 3 decades old, the country has a giant slaying national soccer team which almost won the World Cup in 2018, if you remember. An ascendant tourism industry, buoyed by Game of Thrones fans flocking to Dubrovnik, aka King's Landing, and now its first car maker founded by a dynamic entrepreneur who is barely older than this tiny nation of 4 million. Mate Remots, eponymous car company, has turned him into a rock star in his homeland, and its technology is forcing the established players to catch up. Mate Remots was born in Bosnia Herzegovina. His family had shifted to Germany during the 1990s and finally moved to Zagreb when he was 14. Mate was fascinated by cars and technology, applied for 2 international patents at the age of 17, won numerous awards in international competitions for electronics and innovation in South Korea, Germany, Belgium, Switzerland, and Croatia before turning 18. He has obtained a bachelor's degree in entrepreneurial management in 2010 from Verne University of Applied Science. Mate had bought a used BMW to race at the age of 18 and decided to transform the BMW into an electric performance vehicle as its engine exploded in its second race. He was joined by Igor Pongrak, a drone maker for the Croatian army, and moved into Pongrak's father's garage, where the late night welding sessions drew complaints from the neighbors. A designer, Adriano Madri, who worked at General Motors, became de facto employee number 3, working evenings and nights in his spare time. It can take established car companies with legions of engineers and big budget the best part of a decade to design, engineer, and build a car from scratch. The trio did it in a year. The task proved more difficult than expected as they had to make everything themselves and get ready in time for the 2011 Frankfurt Motor Show. That still defines why Fremont remains one of the most vertically integrated car companies in the world. Fremont Automobili made its debut on September 13, 2011. Before I continue, as usual, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon to keep in touch, and keep a tab on my future episodes. Please also like or dislike and put in your valuable comments. Do share my content if you like them. Remots Automobili today is a Croatian car manufacturer headquartered in Sveta Nedelja, Croatia. In addition to developing and manufacturing their own electric hypercars, Remots provides electric vehicle technologies and systems for other companies. Remots Automobili unveiled its first proper car, Concept 1, priced at US $1.2 million, the world's fastest production electric vehicle, 1,224 HP and capable of hitting 62 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds at the Frankfurt Motor Show in 2011 and took orders for just 8 vehicles. Remots Automobili went from welcoming its first employees in 2011 to more than 900 employees in 2020, attracting major investment from Porsche AG, Hyundai Group, Magna, Koenigsegg, and Jaguar. It already has an enviable customer list. Its technology being found in vehicles from Aston Martin's Valkyrie, hypercar to the battery-powered Jaguar E-Type Concept Zero, an electric hypercar from Automobili Pininfarina of Italy. It is also a Tier 1 supplier to Porsche, Hyundai, Kia, Renault, Jaguar, Aston Martin, Seat, Koenigsegg, and Automobili Pininfarina. Given a chance, it applies its expertise to everything from bikes to boats. Rimoux's second car, designed, engineered, and built in-house, is the Nevera, priced at $2.1 million each, 1914 HP, and capable to reach 62 miles per hour in just 1.97 seconds. Nevera will have a production run of 150 units, and first customer deliveries are expected in 2021. Not for nothing is Mate Remots sometimes called Europe's Elon Musk. Any car maker wanting a piece of this electric hypercar action likely needs his help, and both run groundbreaking electric car makers that have claimed speed records and won plaudits. Both have unconventional manufacturing locations, Tesla in California, Remots Automobili on the outskirts of Zagreb in Croatia. Mate's inspiration was the father of high voltage innovations, Nikola Tesla, the pioneer of the electric AC motor, who was born within 200 kilometers of the Zagreb plant and whose name adorns the company's boardroom. If the title had not been backed by Musk, Mate says his company would have been named after the inventor. That is all for today. Thank you and goodbye for now. See you in my next episode.